The MFASCO 4432 4-shelf workplace first aid kit is ideal for large and medium-sized organizations. It has all of the supplies necessary to address minor injuries in the workplace and conforms to the most current ANSI regulations for Class B first aid kits. The key features of this product allow quick access, convenient use, and easy restocking when necessary. This is a durable metal first aid cabinet with 4 shelves and a door pouch to keep supplies organized. It also includes a heavy-duty carry handle, easy wall mount keyholes, and special tear top dispensing boxes for frequently used supplies. All of this provides a long-lasting and highly functional first aid kit. It will arrive safely packaged and ready to set up for use in only a couple of minutes. First, unwrap the kit from its box and remove the packaging paper inside. If you're going to mount this kit to the wall, measure the distance between the keyhole slots on the back of the cabinet and use the appropriate anchors and screws to secure the cabinet in place. The 4-shelf first aid kit is designed to easily organize and dispense your supplies by the special packaging for bandages, gauze pads, ointments, and medicines if applicable. Prep the kit for use by tearing off the perforated tops of these boxes so the items are ready to use. When it's time to check your kit to refill, use your mobile device to scan the QR code found on the side of your kit between the 2 door latches. You'll be taken to the refill section of this item on our website. You can reorder a complete kit, a complete refill pack, or individual items as needed. You'll see pictures to help you find the items and add to cart only what you need. This is also a good time to check expiration dates on ointments, medicines, eye wash, and sprays. Replenish as needed. And don't forget to wipe down the kit with a hard surface disinfectant. As always, give us a call, email, or chat, and we'll be glad to help. Thanks for using MFASCO as your first aid source.